So in section 1.9 in your tech assignment, you're going to have to work with some spreadsheets and do some sorting. Let's take a look at that data first of all in Excel. So we want to work with number 9, section 1.9. And the instructions are first of all to copy some of this. We're going to paste it to some new columns. So I'm going to copy all that and paste it first to columns H, I, and J, and then columns L, M, and N. Now the challenge here for you is to sort these newspapers by their biggest circulation starting in 2019. Now it doesn't matter which way you sort it to me, although if we look at the instructions, let's see, they want us to sort it from, do they really say? It doesn't really say, I don't see. So you can sort it from lowest to highest or highest to lowest. Let's do it from lowest to highest. So we'll do from A to Z. So highlight all of this, then go up to over here, it says sort and filter, and you want to click custom sort. So we'll click custom sort there, and it gives you a choice of what column to choose. So we want to sort on Q1 2019. So you can do Q1 of 2019. It recognizes that that's a header. Sort on cell values, smallest to largest, or you can do largest to smallest. It's up to you. Doesn't really matter. And then when you get that all set, then click. And you're done. So what it's done is it puts the largest circulations for Q1 in the bottom, and as you move up the list, the circulations are decreasing, 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 etc. So nice. That's how you do it. For the second part of this, you're going to have to repeat this operation. It's just that you're going to use quarter 2020 or Q1 in 2020.